Good afternoon sa'yo. Ako si Marjorie. Meron lang akong ilang katanungan sa'yo.
I'm Maria.
Okay, question number 1. What do you do for work?
I'm billiard ambassadress.
Question number 2. What do you think about the Philippines?
Philippines is a beautiful country. A lot of beautiful islands here.
Question number 3. Tell us what you like and dislike about Philippines.
Ang gusto ko sa Philippines is hospitable yung mga Pilipino, and ang ayoko naman is traffic and yung baha. And yung traffic.
Okay, question number 4. What do you think about Japan?
Japan is my dream country. High-tech, and I like the weather, the food, and the people.
Question number 5. Do you like Japan?
Yes.
Question number 6. Would you like to live in Japan?
Yes.
Pass na. Question number 7. What kind of people are there in the Philippines?
Like in other country, we have may iba-ibang klase ng tao dito sa Pilipinas. Like, may mga masasama and may mga mabubuti.
Question number 9. What is your family like?
I have a big family. Until now, we're living together.
Question number 10. Which is more important, spending time with your boyfriend or with your friends?
Spending time with my friends because I don't have a boyfriend.
Question number 11. What do you want to be in the future?
Maging successful.
Number 12. What are you most interested in right now?
Parang wala kasi busy sa work.
Question number 13. What do you like the most?
Food. I like Japanese food. Shabu-shabu.
Question number 14. What do you dislike the most?
Cheater. And liar.
Question number 15. What is your dream?
To become a caregiver in Japan.
Okay, thank you. Lights on, lights off.